So here we have to find the value of k. So it is given that the function is continuous at x is equals to pi. So we know that from the definition of continuity, a function is said to be continuous at a point if its left hand limit is equals to right hand limit, that is equals to the value of the function at that point. If these are equal, then only we are going to say that the function is continuous at that point. So since it is given the function is continuous at the point pi, so what we can write, left hand limit, that is limit x tends to pi minus f of x is equals to right hand limit, that is limit x tends to pi plus f of x, so that is equals to the value of the function at the point pi. So this should be same. So now let us find the value of f of pi. So it is given that f of x is equals to kx plus 1 if x is less than or equals to pi. So whenever x is equals to pi, f of x value becomes how much? Kx plus 1. So the value of f of pi becomes how much? We have to replace x by pi. So that is k into pi plus 1. So now let us find the right hand limit, because whenever we consider the right hand limit, we have to consider the second definition. So whenever we are considering the left hand limit, here what happens, left hand limit means x is approaching to pi, okay, from left hand side, means we have to consider the values less than pi. So we are considering first definition for left hand limit, second definition for right hand limit. So again, if you compute left hand limit, again we get k into pi plus 1. So we cannot find the value of k. So let us find the right hand limit. So right hand limit is equals to what we will get, limit x tends to pi plus f of x. So that is same as limit h tends to 0 f of pi plus h. So that is same as limit h tends to 0 f of x is equals to cos x whenever x is greater than pi. So f of pi plus h value becomes cos pi plus h. So that is equals to limit h tends to 0. So let us expand cos pi plus h by using cos a plus b. So that is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. So we can write cos pi into cos h minus sin pi into sin h. So now substitute the limit. So what we will get, cos pi into cos 0 minus sin pi into sin 0. So sin 0 is 0 as well as sin pi is 0. So second term becomes 0. Cos 0 is 1. So cos pi is minus 1. So minus 1 into 1 becomes minus 1. So right hand limit is equals to minus 1. So we got f of pi is equals to k pi plus 1 as well as right hand limit is minus 1. So both should be same. So if you equate f of pi is equals to right hand limit, that is minus 1. So what we will get here, f of pi is equals to right hand limit, that is limit x tends to pi plus f of x. So f of pi is k pi plus 1 is equals to right hand limit is minus 1, or k pi is equals to minus 2, or k is equals to minus 2 by pi. So the value of k becomes minus 2 by pi. Thank you.